Hello and welcome back to World Traveler Cooking. We have a relatively quick video for you today. Today we are going to make another Swedish delight called Gubbröra. This literally means old man salad or old man scramble. And it is a fish potato salad. There are a bunch of different ways you can make it. I'll include some variations in the comments. Some people add mayonnaise to the sauce as well as sour cream. Some people don't. Some people use pickled herring. Some people don't. I say use whatever pickled fish you have or you can get, with pickled herring probably being the best one, or perhaps even what the Swedes call anchovies, which are not anchovies, they're a spiced pickled sprout. Our ingredients are pretty simple. I have 2 potatoes here, which I have cooked and skinned. I have 2 hard-boiled eggs, which I will peel. I have some pickled fish, which I was able to get today. You can use red onion, you can use chive, so I'm using green onion, and some dill, sour cream, salt, and pepper. So those are the ingredients I'm going to use today. We'll make it, and I bet this is going to be really good. So let's get started. I'm going to peel the eggs, and I'm going to chop all of these ingredients really well. So here we have our 2 potatoes, 2 eggs. You could go more on the eggs, less on the potatoes if you wanted. I'm guessing about 150 to 200 grams of fish here. 1 green onion. A couple tablespoons of dill. Now keep in mind, the fish will already add some salt, so I'll be a little careful on the salt. So I don't think I'm going to go much above, like, just a little bit. You can always add more later. I think freshly ground pepper is always nice, so I'm going to add whatever I want. That's totally to taste. So then we'll start to dress it. Start by adding some sour cream. I think I'm going to need more than that, but mix it in a bit first, decide if you need more. I'm guessing I'm using between 1 and 200 milliliters of sour cream, but just use whatever you need to make it come together. And I'll go ahead and mix this, and I'll be back in a few minutes. So here's our basic mixture now. So to present it, I'm going to spoon it into a bowl and maybe sprinkle a little more dill on top. And here we have our Gubbröra. I'll be back in a moment for the taste test. And now for the taste test. Just going to serve myself some of this. On the surface, it just kind of looks like an ordinary potato salad. You can smell the fish a little bit, but, it's covered in sour cream. You can smell that a little bit too. Yeah. So now I'm going to taste it. This is the most Swedish thing I think I've tasted in a long time. The pickled fish isn't overpowering, but it's still the dominating flavor. It's softened by the potatoes and the eggs, sour cream. It all tastes really, really very nice. Get the sourness from the pickled herring, that's probably the big thing. So I definitely wouldn't add pickles to a salad like this. Man, now I want aquavit. At any rate, if you find content like this interesting and you'd like to see more of it, please like, share, and subscribe. Additionally, if you have anything to say about this, love to hear from you. I think, we all become better cooks when we share tips like that. At any rate, recipes in the description. Bon appetit, and see you next week.